Okay, let's get ready to go on this walk. I already have my shoes on, Simba. You have your shoes on. Hello. How cute. Mira, gordo. Yeah? Well, your tail's wagging, so how you know you're an Eagles fan? Okay, espera. Siéntate. Good boy. Yeah. Let's go. Ah, your stepdaddy would be so proud. Espera, dame el pie. Pie. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. You are a stunner. Wow. Do a little strut. Come on. Do a little strut. Sit. Wow. You are so handsome in this blue, teal, green, whatever color it is. Okay. And then I need to get ready. Pretty much ready. But it's work outside. So let's put some pants on. Some pants, Simba. I know. Makes no sense I'm doing this in the wrong order. But there are no rules here. Ah! So sorry. Okay. Well, I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Do a little spin. Do a little spin. Do a little spin. I know. I know. Come here, do a little spin. Oh yeah, look at that spin. Oh wow. Sit. Sit. Oh, you're such a cutie patootie. Let's go.